Today we just wanted to do some test burns for some of the materials that we've seen in some of the elementary schools for desk shields. Some of these are obviously been homemade or made there. We've done some research. We found that the PVC pipe does meet flame and smoke spread, but some of the materials covering that. We're also concerned a little bit about some of the other homemade where they're using plastic-based materials similar to those that they're using for science projects. So today we're going to be trying to burn a little bit of this material. I know it's probably hard to see, but it's fairly thick, and we just got a sample from one of the school districts on some material that they were using up there. And so we'll test this plexiglass type material. We have another one that is a different name brand, but it's much thinner, but it's clear and obviously has a coating on it, and we'll leave some of that coating on so that you can differentiate as you're looking at the test burns that we're going to do. We also have some of the materials that students use for their science projects, that these could be formed into a desk shield and then cut out an area where a clear material could be then taped or stuck to it. So we have the type that is the same material, and then it just has a web on the interior holding the surface materials out like a poster board. And here's the other style of that, only it now has a foam core with the finished material on the outside. The last piece we're going to use is this is just plastic drop cloth that you can get from Home Depot. We know you're not using this particular product because it's somewhat opaque, but they do make clear plastic materials in sheet form. Some of those may not propagate or continue flaming once they're ignited. Others are going to melt quickly and have some flame. Today's fairly cool weather. It's probably in the mid 40s right now, and we've got a breeze, so the propane or the butane lighter that we're using is not as full strength as maybe you would have in the classroom. So we're just concerned about flame spread and the materials that might be used that are not commercially available, such as the acrylics, the polycarbonates, and the other clear material that are heavier plastic.